How to update personal information in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app and log in with your credentials. On the home screen, tap the profile icon at the top left corner. Next, you will see different sections where you can update your personal details. You can change your home address, phone number, email address, or employment information. To update any detail, just tap on the one you want to change. For example, if you are changing your phone number, tap phone number, enter your new number, and tap save. The same steps apply for updating your address, email, or job info. If prompted, follow the on-screen verification steps to confirm the change. This may involve entering a code or confirming with your debit card for extra security. Keeping your information up to date ensures you receive important updates and help maintain the security of your account. Now you know how to update personal information in Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.